This is Journey in the Night, starting with our right hand. It has you playing bass D with your 2. You can also use your thumb here if you want. Then it's very important to use this 1, 2, and 5 fingering with your right hand. And so I'm just going to write it here again because it's the same thing. 1, 2, and 5. 1, 2, and 5. Here we put our thumb on that D again. 1, 3, 5. And here we're going to go 1, 2, 5. Just so that we can kind of reach up to get that D. So we're going to change our fingering, and we're going to go to F here. Move up to F. Here our thumb is going to be on F, and we're going to do a 4th. 1 and 4, and this is going to be 1, 3, and 5. 5 is going to be sharped. Back to the same notes that we were playing here, except now we're in the treble clef, and I'm just going to write out that fingering again. 1, 2, and 5 for those. 1, 2, and 5. Then we're going to go to D. 1, 3, 5. 1, 2, 5. And then we're on G here, and we were on F here. 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, and then 1 and 5. Our thumb moving to F here. Let's see what that looks like on the piano. Starting on bass D, I'm going to start with my thumb, and then we have our thumb on F and doing the 1, 2, and 5. And just taking that shape and moving it down to E, except we have to get C sharp with our pinky, just like that. Now here we can cross over our thumb and play the 2 on D. Just like that. And then we go to D, 1, 3, 5. And then we move up to F, 1, 2, 5. And here, our thumb's already on F, but we kind of have to smush up our hand to get a 4th. And here, our 3 is where it needs to be. So just play the 3, and then our thumb needs to go to E, and our 5 on C sharp, like that. Let's do that 4th again. There it is. And then we're going to move up to the treble clef, playing F, and then cross over 2. Thumb on D, 3, 5. Move up to F, 1, 2, 5. Now our thumb was on F, we're just moving it up to G. And then our thumb has to move to F. Just like the first page, we're going to look at the same sections for the right hand. So this is the first line. This is measure 15, measure 17. We're at middle D. And we're going to do that same 1, 2, and 5. Starting with F, E. Same thing, except now we go down to this F and E and do that same thing, 1, 2, and 5. Same fingering. And then we are going to be on bass D here to play 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. Here's what that looks like, starting on middle D, F, E. This time we just move down to this F and E, and then we just move down one and do 1, 3, 5 on, and we're on bass D here. Then we're on the second page again, and we're going to do the ending part. This time we're going to start on measure 22, 23, 24, right here with C sharp, 4 on C sharp, and we're doing our scale going downward. We're already pretty good at this. So we just have to do this scale, and we end on middle D, and then we do our F, E again. F, E, and this is 1, 2, and 5, using that. Here's our middle D, and then we're going to put our 5. After we play it with our 1, we're going to put our 5 on it. It's the same note here. This is also middle D, okay? And then we're going to do our scale going down with that flat, and we're going to end with our thumb on F, the F below middle C, and then this is a 6th, or F and D, okay? This is a 6th. Same thing here. Here's what it looks like. So we're going to start on treble C sharp with our 4th, and just doing that scale. And we're going to do our F, E, and then middle D, and then we're going to put the 5 on that same D, and then we're going to move up to F and D.